Dear students, welcome to all the students of Nunnagar Ashanata High School. How are you? I am very well. Thank you very much. All of you know that we are passing through a long time about the pandemic situation from early. In these situations, and all the institutions of Bangladesh are held up for their educational activities. So, Nunnagar Ashanata Madhyamik Vidyalaya has arranged the online classes for you. All of the students, please come on your table for my English classes. All of you know my name is Sushanta Kumar Ghosh. I am English teacher for you. I shall take you the English classes in class 9. Today's my topics is narration. All of the students look at the blackboard. Firstly, narration. We have to know about the meanings of narration. Narration means speech. The speaker who speaks something, we can call it is the narration or speech. This is the meanings of the narration. Dear students, now I am discussing about the classifications of narrations. Look at the blackboard. Narration are two kinds. One is the direct narration. DIR is direct narration. Number two, indirect narration. Dear students, look at the blackboard. One is the direct narration and the other is the indirect narration. And we have to know about the meanings of direct narration. In direct narration, speaker speaks directly. We can call it is the direct narration. And indirect narration, speaker who speaks indirectly, we can call it is the indirect narration. Dear students, look at the example of the direct narration. He said to me, I am going to school. Dear students, look at this. He said to me, this is the reporting verb, and I am going to school. This is the reported speech, and we can call there are two parts of the narrations. One is the reporting verb, and other is the reported speech. Dear students, look at the example of the indirect narration. He told me that he was going to school. Dear students, it is the example of direct narration and it is the example of indirect narrations. Now I am discussing you about the kinds of narrations. According to the classification of sentences, narrations are 5 kinds. Look at the blackboard. I am writing about the 5 kinds of narrations. Number 1, assertive, assertive sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. Number 4, optative sentence. Number 5, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Dear students, this is the 5 kinds of narrations. Now, I shall discuss about the structure method of assertive sentence. Dear students, I shall give you homework for next classes. The 5 kinds of sentences and 2 kinds of narrations, and you will also know about the spelling all of the sentences. Today's class I am closing for you. Dear students, you know that this is the very hard situation and crucial time for us. All of you don't go out without wearing the mask, and you go about. You have to wear mask and go outside. Otherwise, you could not feel well. So all of you, thanks for you, and I shall wish you for your good health. Thank you very much.